In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer statement in Zoho Books. Managing your finances is crucial for any business, and generating customer statements can help you stay organized and professional. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by navigating to the Customers section. From your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various categories. Click on Sales, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Customers. This is where you can access all your customer-related information. Next, you'll need to select the customer for whom you want to generate a statement. In the customers list, you'll see all the clients you have recorded in Zoho Books. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific customer you're working with. Once you've located them, click on their name. This action will bring up the customer's detailed information page. Once you're on the customer's detail page, locate the Statement tab. You'll see several tabs representing different aspects of the customer's profile. Click on the one labeled Statement. This tab is dedicated to displaying all of their transaction history and financial activity with your company. Now it's time to choose a date range for your customer statement. Look for the drop-down menu on the Statement page. This menu allows you to define the period for the statement. You can choose from predefined options like this month, if you want a quick view, or if you need a more specific time frame, opt for the custom date range option. Simply enter your desired start and end dates. After selecting your date range, Zoho Books will generate the customer statement. At the top right of this page, you'll notice a set of action icons. Here you have several options for what to do next with the statement. If you want a hard copy, click on the print icon. This option is straightforward and will send the document to your paired printer. If your preference is to keep a digital file, perhaps for future reference or sharing, click the download icon. You have the choice to save it as either a PDF or an XLS file, which ensures flexibility depending on your or your client's needs. Alternatively, if you need to send this statement directly to the customer via email, simply click the mail icon. Zoho Books will prompt you through the email setup, allowing you to communicate efficiently and professionally. With these instructions, you've successfully created and managed a customer statement in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process that, with practice, will become a smooth task in your financial management routine. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow in Zoho Books.